People ask lots of questions about meditation. I think the most important thing about meditation is, to relax ourselves. Because unless we relax, we can't let our mind calm down. And if we cannot allow our mind to calm down, then we cannot feel the peace and the joy of it. So therefore, we need to first learn how to relax. And many times it's not an easy task because we have this habit of doing everything with some kind of a force or trying or efforts, and we cannot relax by making efforts. So to relax, we need to let be. We need to not tighten but loosen, whether it's our muscles, whether it's our mind, the grasping and tightening of our has to be loosened, and we need to loosen our body and mind and kind of let things be as kind of natural and simple and kind of effortlessly as possible. And when we can do that, we are actually letting go of our stress and of our efforts, and that makes us relaxed.